guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick little 12 by 12 I guess process video using some new dies from KSCRAFT. They're all the like the star detailed dies. There's this rectangle, oval, and then these little like layering burst ones. I am really behind on my scrapbooking, so I was like, you know what, I'll just do a quick little layout. I do generic layouts. I don't do the fancy like 3D or crazy painting and all of that because I have a ton of photos to scrapbook. I like to get as many photos as I can on one sheet because I only scrapbook major events, major like holidays or events or super exciting things that we did. I don't scrapbook a day at the park because I feel like that's just whatever and I rather get like the really fun memories. So yeah, I cut this big large one out several times. Please note that this is not a 4x6 photo whatsoever, but I do just cut my photos down. This is just a random photo of like the aftermath of one of the birthday parties. I'm just using this photo for this tutorial because I don't want to post all of my like special memories like on blast on the internet, so I rather keep that personal and private, so I'm just using like an ugly photo. But what I would do is I would cut this down so that it did fit in the largest rectangle of this. So I do cut my stuff down. It's not all like 4x6 or whatever. And then I cut the big oval out in the KSCRAFT, that super thick, it's almost like poster board, metallic. And I'm just gonna stick, and I know I want to put Happy 4th of July in thickers. I just have to figure out like how to get this, like, because if I do this, it's gonna look too crammed. So I'm gonna kind of like stagger it. Then I can do a photo up and down. And what I'm gonna do for these guys, I already stitched the entire 12 by 12 sheet of paper, but I'm gonna go ahead. No, I shouldn't stitch the stars because then you're not even gonna be able to see it. So yeah, no, I'm not gonna stitch. I'm just gonna lay these bad boys. And does anybody else notice, let's see if you guys, the Scotch tape permanent adhesive is way too strong for its own good. Like I can barely get it to stop rolling. And it like, sometimes it just keeps going. I'm like, crap, no, I want the tape to end. Of course it's not gonna, oh, there, it kind of did it. It like keeps going because it's too strong and won't let go of the wheel, I guess. Oh, where's this guy gonna go? Like right here. So like I said, I just do a lot of generic ones. Some pages I do go all out, but for the majority of them, like I don't do anything fancy just because, like I said, if I scrapbooked one photo on each page, I would have a million scrapbooks. So I don't have room for that. I just don't. Okay, so I just like glued those on real quick, or should I say tape? Do you guys use wet adhesive with scrapbooking? I feel like I found one when I was doing my Etsy shop that didn't really warp the paper, but it was super pricey. I forgot the name of it. Beacon? No, shoot, I don't even know what it was called. I'm making up names now. And then these guys, I'm sure that I will glue, because I do glue stuff like on the actual photos. Ooh. Like I'm sure I'm just going to stick these randomly, or maybe even on the actual photo. Okay, so now I want to write. I don't know if I should just do 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, let's do happy. And I'm just gonna, I really like the look of sticker, like words, when they're all different like fonts and colors. Have you guys noticed that on people's stuff? Let's see. I don't use a ruler or anything. I just kind of I wing it. I wing it with half of my crafts. So I'm just gonna alternate some colors on here just to give it some funness, I guess. And then when I'm all done, I'm gonna sew over this. Okay, so I finished doing all the little letters, and I just went across in my sewing machine real quick to sew all of the letters on there, because I like the way that that looks. Except for, this was the first time I've ever ran over, sewed or whatever. These are chipboard thickers. And honestly, it sounded really scary, like it was gonna break my machine. So I don't know how everybody just stitches over that. It really scared me, like, oh, am I gonna break my sewing machine right now for a thicker? So yeah, just a heads up that it did not sound normal. It was like, dun, 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 dun. It was scary. Okay, so this die right here from KSCRAFT, I'm just gonna do, I only had enough of the blue glitter to do two, like the left and the right side. So I think I'm just gonna put them like in the corners once I have, like I can glue it down right here, but it'll go over the photo a little bit, if that makes sense. Like my photo will tuck inside. Do this one down here, like so. And then the rectangle die does come with a word cuts out star, and it has like the little stars, and I will probably glue this directly on to the actual photo once I have my photos on here. So just for the meantime, I'm just going to do these little guys in the very, like I said, the corner. And you can't have stuff hanging over the edge because, I mean, I put these in a 12 by 12 with the, what are they, protector sheet style. I don't just have these pages out in the middle of nowhere. And that's another thing. I don't know how people do all that thick, crazy, thick, crazy embellishments if you're sticking it in clear plastic sleeves. Like, the book would just be so lumpy and bumpy. I think that would drive me nuts. That would really drive me nuts. But yeah, so quick, easy little 12 by 12 layout for the 4th of July. Perfect little dies to do that and layer your photos. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.